Hi, it's Tim from Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with the late model 4-bolt main, one-piece rear main seal block. We have the brass freeze plugs in there. Engine block painted the Chevrolet orange. Correct oil pan. Brand new timing cover, new balancer, brand new water pump. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. The roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice black Chevrolet valve covers. The 14-inch air cleaner, chrome air cleaner with a washable filter. Polished intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats installed. Got the extra water ports on the thermostat housing if any sensors are needed. Quick fuel carburetor on there. Throttle return spring. HEI distributor. Every engine is live run and fully tested at the Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I adjust the idle mixer screws on the carburetor, set the idle, set the ignition timing. It's going to be ready to go, drop in ready, right out of the crate. You have the proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are in there, gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line on there, all the loop clamps up to the carburetor. It's this way you get it. Again, this is a 350 Chevrolet roller cam 400 horsepower turnkey package engine, ready to go. You ready to buy? Give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.